Eagle was formed in 1996. We build factory automation. The relationship between Bosch Rexroth and our company actually started in the 1980s. And since then, we've taken our custom solutions, combined it with the standardized solutions that Bosch offers to provide our customer a automation solution.
We work with Eagle on a regular basis, developing world-class solutions to the application at hand.
We build everything from lean cell equipment all the way to end-to-end solutions for our customers, including test systems and material handling robotics. We provide solutions in many markets, including agriculture, auto, medical pharma, and many of the energy sectors as well.
Keeping up with all the different customers who are all chasing the same goal in a different way and being able to bring these solutions to bear in a timely manner has been a very exciting last few years.
Bosch Rexroth brings layered solutions to Eagle Technologies where we can incorporate many of their technologies that are standard into our custom solutions. It's not just about conveyor, but it's also about fastening systems, servo drives, variable frequency drives, all the way to systems like industrial hydraulics.
The core of their product has not changed radically over the years, but it's been expanded on at the edges. So the basic kernels that are in all of that hardware, we are very familiar with and understand immediately as they start moving out into a different area. We are right on board with them.
We, like Bosch, is sensitive to end customers and availability of components and supply and demand and all that. So trying to keep common things that are easy to be acquired is important to us. And it's important to our customers as well.
The other thing is tremendously helpful. They've got some very powerful tools. MT Pro is a great example of that, where we can get in and get detailed CAD models without going back through them and sales channels and all that kind of stuff. It's almost immediate information, which we need. I mean, it's moving that fast, so we really have to have it.
Our electric vehicle customers are always challenging us from a timeline standpoint and the fact that their products are always evolving. Therefore, using a standard design from Bosch, along with our engineering and customer designs, we can execute a project in the timeline.
In this recent example, we developed a customized quoting tool that allowed Eagle personnel to speed up the standard quotation process, which greatly sped up the turnaround time on quotes.
The total project from start to finish was about 32 weeks. It's a very aggressive timeline, required some special modules from Bosch that were developed specifically for this battery size. They had to be air freighted over from Germany in order to meet the timeline. So as soon as that stuff was coming off the trucks, we were putting it onto the line. We had our controls ready to go, and we're able to meet the timeline.
The customer is looking for long-term support for an installed machine, and we were able to provide customized solution with Eagle using our Bosch Rexroth standard products that are available on a global basis. Spare parts, therefore, are also easily obtainable since the products are standard.
The results that we are looking forward to the most with this solution is really kind of the reliability, the limited amount of support that's going to be needed, but also there are components that are wear components. They're going to wear over time. The availability for those, the ease of being able to swap them out, putting them in a place that's easy to maintenance, all of those things are important as we're going through the design side and engineering to consider for the future.
The customer is pleased with the initial pilot installation, so much so that they've come back now for the second phase of the project and are anxious to get that second phase installed as soon as possible.
That ongoing long-term relationship, the structure that's in place, the communication, the familiarity, the stocked inventory, all of that, we do not have that same partnership with any other conveyor supplier, manufacturer.
We've got local sales support. We're blessed to have their tech support here close to our facilities, and it also works both ways. They're able to come over here and see the equipment that we've integrated and how their products are going together in some of the custom applications that we come up with.
A typical project, you don't release the bill of materials and the designs until after you're done through at least a 12 to 16 week process. With the relationships we have with Bosch, we're able to release within 2 weeks of purchase order.
It saves us almost 3 months, which is critical.
Bosch Rexroth brings the latest technologies for Eagle to integrate into our custom solutions so that we can provide our customers with the best solution possible.
I don't know how we would do it without them.